Hey guys, Cyclone here, and welcome back to me scaring everyone within 3 city blocks. We'll get into a little bit of the history and the science later, but today we're going to be making an Aztec death whistle because I hate my HOA. This is maybe the best example of the square cubed law. This little whistle took about 25 minutes to print. It has been an hour and a half, and I am halfway done with the big one. Alright, so I printed another one, and this one is at 100% infill. Alright, so this is kind of what you're looking at. The air comes in through the top piece, and it's a 2-chamber system. If we zoom in on this bit right here, you're going to get a shape that looks something like this. Now the air comes in the top bit and then is split here, going here and here, which go into these 2 chambers, giving us 2 different pitches of whistling as the wind circles around in here and comes back out. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm not even going to pretend like I'm not trying to pad my runtime here. I am. Video's a little too short, need to boost it up a little bit for YouTube to take it seriously, so I'm just gonna yap a little bit. My girlfriend said she's not even gonna watch the regular video, so I can just say whatever I want in this part. I'm not putting it in the short.
This is amazing. Carrots, pumpernickels, glow sticks, twins. That's dope, dude. That's so
That's
sick.
crazy. We have that brother connection too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You ready?
Yep.
Pirates,
Paperclips,
baby
bananas.
feet,
I don't know.
anger,
Words,
quicksand, boom.
Yeah, that's hip. That's awesome.
But I do think it's time for me to bust out a tool that I haven't used in a while. The 3D model. And I can do a little slash on it, and we can cut it in half and see the inside. I think this gives us a way better visual of the drawing that I showed you earlier. You can see the 2 wind chambers and kind of start to feel the way the air would be moving throughout it. I have a binding vow with YouTube that requires me to upload more than 1 video a year to actually get views, so that explains the last 3.5. Trying to get some B-roll, and I am in the middle of the city, so I'm just trying to make sure there are the least amount of people around me as possible, because I don't want to feel like an a-hole. Yeah, it's scary. That was way too loud. We need to leave now. That's really loud. Alright, so, whoa, that's not a good idea. Alright, so, busted out the microphone in this video a little bit because I just found it and I forgot I had it, and mostly because listen to the street. There's cars everywhere. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me in this video. If you want to see the shorts, it's up on YouTube now, or you can go see it on Instagram @CycloneSlayer. If you want to support the channel, you can use code DEADLIFT at loyalfitness.com. Hopefully the Supreme Emperor has removed all the tariffs so that we can ship back in the US. But seriously, if you can get your hands on them, it's really good quality clothes. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. Like, comment, subscribe down below to join the storm, and I will see you in the next video. Cyclone Slayer over and out.